If you've ever wondered how to create urgency pop-ups with Proof, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the best ways to use this powerful marketing tool to boost conversions, increase urgency, and build trust with your audience. Stick with me to learn exactly how to make these pop-ups work for your website, and I'll even show you how you can get started for free with an exclusive trial. Let's get into it. Urgency pop-ups can be a game changer for your business. They tap into the psychological principle of scarcity, telling your visitors that they need to act quickly, whether it's to claim a special deal or secure their spot. But to truly make these pop-ups effective, you can't just create any pop-up, you need proof. By incorporating proof, like showing real-time purchases or the number of people currently viewing a product, you increase trust and create a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out. This leads to more clicks, sign-ups, and ultimately sales. So how do you set this up? First, you want to select a tool or software that allows you to customize and manage these pop-ups. Many platforms offer this feature, but not all of them give you full control over design, targeting, or the type of proof you can show. Look for a platform that allows dynamic, real-time updates, like showing recent purchases or sign-ups. This gives your visitors the feeling that your offer is in demand. When you build your pop-up, make sure to choose a design that's not too intrusive but still stands out. It should blend with your website's aesthetics, but be bold enough to grab attention. Timing is key. Set the pop-up to trigger at the right moment. Don't pop up as soon as someone lands on your site, or you'll risk annoying them. Instead, try triggering the pop-up after a visitor has spent a bit of time browsing or is about to leave the page. Next, let's talk about the type of proof. You don't just want a generic, limited offer message. Instead, you can show proof like X number of people have purchased this in the last 24 hours, or only 3 items left in stock. Social proof goes a long way. People are more likely to trust your offer if they see others taking action. Use data like recent customer purchases, sign-ups, or even a countdown timer to enhance urgency. Another great tactic is showing activity on your site in real time. For example, 5 people are viewing this product right now, or someone just bought this 2 minutes ago. This builds credibility and adds a sense of urgency. But don't just show proof randomly. Make sure it's relevant to the user's journey. If they've been browsing a product for a while, show proof related to that product. If they've added an item to their cart but haven't checked out, show proof that others are buying the same product. Personalization is key to making this strategy work. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You can easily set all of this up with Software Name, a platform designed to simplify pop-up creation while offering powerful proof features. Best of all, you can try it for free with an exclusive extended trial from the first link below. This tool integrates perfectly with your website, allowing you to build urgency pop-ups that deliver real-time proof and increase conversions in no time. In conclusion, urgency pop-ups with proof are one of the most effective ways to drive action on your site. When used correctly, they create a sense of urgency while building trust through social proof. And the best part? You can get started today with a free trial, and I've got an exclusive offer waiting for you in the description below. Make sure to click the link and try it out yourself.